Hello kids, good morning. I hope you all are safe. Kids, today we are going to learn new topic that is heavy and light. Before we going to do some activities of heavy and light, we revise our topic tall and short. What is tall and what is short? Now tell me kids, which thing is tall and which thing is short? This is tall and this is short glass. Okay? Now we do some activities of heavy and light. Okay? This book is light and this bag is heavy. This book is light and this book is heavy. तो kids, मुझे कैसे पता चला कि this book is light and this bag is heavy? Okay, I will tell you. Suppose we are trying to lift something and we are able to hold that thing easily. That means that thing is light. And suppose we are trying to lift something and we are not able to hold that thing comfortably, so that this thing is heavy. जैसे कि ये बुक है, मैं इसे easily पकड़ सकती हूँ अपने हाथ में. But this bag is very heavy. इसे मैं नहीं पकड़ सकती. तो light goes up and heavy goes down. Light thing goes up and heavy thing goes down. Okay? Now another example. Okay? Now another example. Look at this bottle. Okay? This bottle is full of water and this glass is empty. So tell me, which thing is heavy and which is light? Yes, you are correct. Bottle is heavy and empty glass is light. Now I will give you some more examples. Watch carefully. Okay kids?
Now kids, we are going to learn heavy and light. What we are going to learn? Tell me. Heavy and light. Yes, you are correct. Heavy and light. Heavy goes down and light goes up. Look at the feather is light. Feather बहुत हल्का है. We can easily hold it. But the bag is very heavy because the bag is full of stones. That is why this bag is heavy. वो बच्चा उसे उठा नहीं पा रहा है. So feather is light, bag is heavy. Light goes up heavy goes down. Okay? Now see, leaf is light and tree is heavy. Leaf is light, tree is heavy. We can easily hold any leaf. See, now tell me, hippo is heavy or mouse is heavy? हम क्या करें, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? तो चलो एक गेम खेलते हैं. इन दोनों को सीसॉ पे बिठाते हैं तो हमें पता चलेगा कि कौन हेवी है और कौन लाइट है. ओके? नाउ सी हियर. नाउ टेल मी. Heavy goes down, light goes up. Heavy goes down, light goes up. Heavy goes down, light goes up. See here, arrow क्या दिखा रहा है कि लाइट ऊपर होता है. ओके? Now hippo and that mouse उस सीसॉ पर बैठ गए. So hippo डाउन की तरफ है और माउस अप. So that mouse is light and hippo is heavy. See, he says, I'm heavy. Heavy goes down, heavy goes down. And mouse says, I'm light. Light goes up. Light goes up. So that mouse is light and hippo is heavy. Okay, kids? तो अब हम और एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, उससे हमें पता चलेगा. सो यहाँ पर रिया और रिया के पापा है. तो रिया के पापा जिस साइड पर बैठे हैं वो डाउन है. दैट मीन्स रिया के पापा हैवी है और रिया लाइट. और यहाँ पर शाम जो है लाइट है, उसके पापा हैवी है ना? हैवी लाइट. लुक एट, एलिफेंट इज हैवी बट रैट इज लाइट, है ना? Butterfly is light, plant is heavy because heavy goes down, light goes up. Heavy goes down, light goes up. Banana is light and monkey is heavy. Very heavy, है ना? बनाना मंकी को बहुत पसंद होता है. Now see you. Ant is light, elephant is heavy. Heavy goes down, light goes up. Heavy goes down, light goes up. Yes, feather is light. Na? Feather is light. Dumbbell is heavy to hold. I can't able to hold this dumbbell. Feather is.
Now kids, open your math book, okay? And go to the page number 12. See here, what is this? An elephant and ant. Now tell me, which animal is heavy and which is light? Tell me, elephant is heavy or ant is heavy? Yes, you are correct. Elephant is heavy because heavy always goes down. light always go up. That is why elephant is heavy and ant is light. Elephant is heavy, ant is light. है ना? ये दोनों सीसॉ पे बैठे हुए हैं. सॉरी, सीसॉ पे नहीं है. सीसॉ पे बैठे, इसीलिए एलिफेंट नीचे की तरफ है और आंट ऊपर की तरफ है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. हैंड्स ऑन. ड्रॉ अ रिंग अराउंड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर heavy. You know kids, heavy always goes down and light always go up. Sing with me. Heavy always goes down, light always go up. Now see here, यहाँ पर दोनों जगह पर बुक दिया. यहाँ पर एक बुक है, यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 बुक है. So tell me, which is heavy? Yes, correct. हमें heavy things पर सर्कल करना है. ओके, तो आपको down, down. Heavy always goes down. तो down यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल करना है. ओके, आपको ये दोनों भी आपको इमेजिन करके सॉल्व करना है. मैम आपको नहीं बताएंगी. अगर आपने रॉन्ग किया तो मैं आपको ये फिर से सॉल्व करके दूंगी. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, आपके घर में जो जो हेवी थिंग्स है जिसे आप इजीली लिफ्ट नहीं कर पाते हो, जैसे कि सोफा, कबर्ड, आप इजीली होल्ड कर पाते हो या फिर लिफ्ट कर पाते हो नहीं, तो आपको घर पर ये अपने मम्मी को दिखाना है कि दिस इज हेवी थिंग एंड दिस इज लाइट थिंग. ओके, एंड योर होमवर्क इज पेज नंबर 13. Okay? Goodbye.